Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Hi, this is Reem and I'm with India Forums doing the Would You Rather segment. So let's begin.
Reem Sheikh, who is currently seen on ZTV's show Tujhse Hai Rabta, got into a fun chat with us, and here we did our fun Would You Rather segment with her. So without any further ado, let's begin. Would you rather always be 10 minutes late or always be 20 minutes early?
20 minutes early because I really believe कि जब late आते हैं ना तो ऐसे okay sorry ऐसे आना पड़ता है, but when you come on time you're like hi what's up. So yeah.
Would you rather be able to fly or be invisible?
I would be able to invisible because मुझे हमेशा ये था कि मैं invisible होके वो ग्रुप में जाना चाहती हूँ जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी बातें होती है और मैं सब सुन के आ जाऊँ कि कौन मेरे पीठ पीछे क्या क्या बोलता है. So I always wanted that कि मेरे अंदर ये पावर आ जाए.
Would you rather live without the internet or live without air conditioner?
Without the AC. I can. Not internet, sorry.
Would you rather find your true love or a suitcase with $5 million inside?
True love. Because it's really hard to find nowadays.
Would you rather die in 20 years with no regrets or die in 50 years with many regrets?
Die now with no regrets. अभी मर जाऊँ चलेगा. Why? No यार, because regrets are something जो अगर if I hold on to regrets ना तो फिर मैं वैसे भी life जी नहीं पाऊँगी अच्छे से. तो it's better that कि मैं अभी मर जाऊँ, but I don't want to live with regrets because that somehow is already killing you inside.
Would you rather be the funniest person in the room or the most intelligent?
Most intelligent. Yeah.
Would you rather speak your mind and never speak again?
I always speak my mind. Maybe that's one of the reasons मेरी बहुत बार अच्छे दोस्तों से argument हो जाती है, दोस्तियाँ टूट जाती है because I am very blunt.
Would you rather be itchy for the rest of your life or be sticky for the rest of your life?
Itchy is fine. I can handle itchy.
Would you rather have bad breath or smelly feet?
Smelly feet. Because पैर तक मैं कोई boots पहन के ठीक है संभाल लूँगी. Talking can't. That's like मुझे फोबिया है पता है. अगर मैं सेट पे भी 10 मिनट का नैप लेती हूँ मैं सबसे पहले उठ के मिंट खाती हूँ.
Would you rather be a part of खतरों के खिलाड़ी or Big Boss?
मुझे animals, height, water सब चीज़ से डर लगता है. Like literally सब चीज़ से डर लगता है. और बिग बॉस में मैं बहुत ही इमोशनली वीक इंसान हूँ तो पता नहीं तो दोनों भी मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल होगा.
Would you rather want to be famous but not know how to act or know how to act but not be very famous?
If you're a good actor then you will become famous. Maybe not very soon but someday. Like Rajkumar Rao is a big example, I would say. Nawazuddin Siddiqui, they all they have been from many years, but people didn't know them that time. But now people have realized that they are one of the finest actors that we have. So yeah, good actor.
Hi, this is Reem and you guys are watching India Forums.
We hope that you guys enjoyed this segment with Reem. If you did, do comment and tell us. Pooja Mahajan, camera person Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.